Hello everybody and welcome back to Food Pandit, and today we're going to be making a very tasty snack which almost all the children love. Do you know what it is? It is the cheese chili toast. So guys, starting with, I have a bit of cheese over here. You can use slices of cheese or you can use the normal cheese too. I'm using the slices of cheese. So guys, let's start. You can use normal cheese or slices of cheese like this, which you have to cut and make it smaller. So I'm going to cut them and make them smaller. So guys, I've cut my first slice. Have a look. It should be cut into small square pieces like this. And then after you have to keep a separate plate to transfer the slices you cut, and you have to make it into small square pieces, but it doesn't matter if it goes a bit here and there. So I'm just transferring the cheese to another plate. Just make sure that they don't stick so that you don't have trouble later. I'm just transferring them. In between you'll find big pieces like these, just make it smaller. We're doing this to make the paste of our cheese chili garlic. So I've transferred all of it into this, and this is how it looks. It's nice and small. It looks like garlic, but it's fine. And now we're going to continue. This is just a demonstration, and I'm going to continue doing the rest three. So guys, here I have my cheese. It is perfectly cut. There are a few things that are the few pieces which are a bit big, but that doesn't really matter. So guys, I have a big this full which has milk, but you don't need to use this full thing. You have to transfer the milk with the malai into this. So I'll just show you how much you have to fill it if you are using this. So you at least have to fill it till this point, okay? Till here. Where my finger is, till there. You have to fill it till there with this milk, and then we're going to put it for boil. So guys, I finished putting the milk into this. You have to put this much, and now we're gonna put it on the gas for boiling. So guys, I've kept the bowl on the gas, and first of all I'm going to switch on the gas. So here we have switched on the gas. We're going to keep it on low flame for now, and we're going to slowly start adding our cheese. So guys, you have to keep on mixing this until it becomes a paste. Keep on mixing it. The cheese is still like this. It has to become into a complete paste. So guys, I have mixed the milk and the cheese properly. I haven't made the paste very thick because I like to keep it a bit thin, but it's up to you guys. So now I'm going to add some chilies and fresh coriander in it. So guys, I'm just putting a bit of oregano for a twist. Ah, looks good. So I've put some and we're going to continue mixing it. So guys, you have to preheat the oven for on 175 degrees for 20 minutes. And if this is a kid making it, make sure that you don't touch the oven and do this with adult supervision. And now I have taken a butter paper and I've put it on top of the plate, the oven plate, and I've put the bread. And now I'm going to take the cheese paste and I'm going to spread it all over it. So let's start. So guys, this is perfect for 6 and perfect for 3 people to eat from in breakfast. I've put it equally and now we're going to spread it. Make sure that it doesn't fall down a lot. Spread it nicely. So guys, you have to do this quickly or the bread will soak it and the bread will become mushy, and we don't want that to happen. So guys, my mom is doing this, as no kid should do this alone. So you make sure that you always put and do it with gloves on. So here is our bread. You have to keep it in until it becomes a bit golden brownish. So see you after it becomes that. So guys, I'll just show you one way of serving it. You can use sauce for the eyes of the smiley. Cool, a smiley. And now we're just going to add our toast. So take your toast right here and place it. So this is a bit from here, so we just have to cut it like this. If you want, you can even make it into a triangle. I'll just show you one. Nice and crispy. So guys, this was how to make a chili cheese toast. And if you liked it, please subscribe, share and like. And you can even make this in your home with your parents. Make sure you have adult supervision when you're putting it in oven, as it's a bit dangerous to do it on your own if you're a kid.